Contact Speakers is proud to present the Extreme Performance Workshop. Your facilitator, Mark Squiz Squirrel, will take your team on an interactive journey to discover what it takes to become a member of the Australian Special Forces, work across the globe as a humanitarian aid worker in some of the world's most difficult and time-critical hotspots, and climb the summit of Mt Everest to raise awareness of global hunger. Throughout the journey, Squiz will stop at a number of time-critical and high-stakes decision points that your team will need to resolve, making this workshop uniquely immersive and engaging. Before the workshop begins, Squiz will work with your training objectives to design a high-impact and unforgettable experience that continually links back to your work environment.
So you need to provide your teams with the opportunity to be able to think on their feet on the spot and give them the confidence to do that. The context normally has its own little nuances, and if you don't exploit those, then maybe you've got a whole lot of robots working for you.
Unlike any other experiential training, the Extreme Performance Workshop can also include lifelike simulations that unfold right in front of your eyes. Mind-blowing virtual reality scenarios that transport your team directly onto the front line. Indoor team challenges that get your team up and moving. Or outdoor quests that bond your team.
Amazing, thank you so much, Squiz. Totally blown away, thank you.
The Extreme Performance Workshop is one of a kind and guarantees to have an impact.